shout out to Aloha and Katina. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some more of my double almond bars. This is the coconut oil in here with my ultra concentrated almond milk that I've prepared myself. And today I'll be using, scenting it with something I like to call the Dawn Blend. And the reason why I call it the Dawn Blend is because that was the first essential oil blend I ever made. And it's just so beautiful. It's quite unisex. It's equal parts of lavender, cedarwood, patchouli and ylang ylang first grade. It has to be first grade because the other grades of ylang ylang smell quite medicinal. But the first grade is quite floral and exotic. It's beautiful. Even though it's floral, ylang ylang is fairly unisex. It's really, really nice, especially in blends. When you put them in blends, and this Dawn Blend is just really, really, really nice. And I'll have the exact percentages. It's just equal amounts of each. But if you want specific info of percentages, they'll be in the description box below. Yeah, so it's just a really, really nice essential oil blend. It's been in my range since I started making cold processed soap, and it is a fairly popular scent. Really, really nice. My favourite. My favourite out of all the blends I actually make. It's just, yeah, like it's just, you got to mix it yourself. Like you just got to, I guess, mix it all together, so you know what I mean. It's very hard. It's like earthy, floral, very deep, very complex. Really, really nice combination. And some people have actually said, oh, you know, but I don't like lavender. And you know, not everyone likes lavender essential oil, but you don't actually smell the lavender when it's in the blend like that. So it's totally fine. I don't think you'll have any issues with that at all. And yeah, so just going to mix everything up. What else is going on in this recipe? It's just 30% coconut oil, 65% Australian extra virgin olive oil. What else is happening there? 2.5% each of Castor and virgin sweet almond oil. Right, so this is the essential oil blend, equal parts, with obviously the natural vitamin E, because I always mix the vitamin E with my essential oil blend. Why isn't it coming off? There you go. Yes, beautiful. And you actually don't need a lot of it. Just 0.8% of each. Usually when you see me make soaps, especially with 6 kilos, this is filled all the way to the top, but you only need literally half of what you would need with other essential oil blends. So little goes a long way for this. But the one thing for this, unfortunately, because of the ylang ylang, it traces incredibly fast. So I have to work really quick after I do my mixes, when I mix the essential oil blend in. So I'll whisk the colour in, give it a quick whiz with the stick blender, and then slowly add the essential oil blend, because within 30 seconds it starts to go hard and I have to really pour it off. So I'm going to be doing layers. The first layer in the slab is just neutral white clay, which will come out after cured to be a soft yellow because of the extra virgin olive oil, and also because of this, it's got patchouli. Patchouli is really dark. And then the second layer will be blue French clay, and then the top layer will be purple Brazilian clay. And those are the three colours I'll be doing. My lime water it's just 36 degrees Celsius, so it's fine. I can actually mix it in. I will actually give this a stick blend before I add the lime water in it, just to make sure the almond milk and everything is well incorporated. And yes, it's pretty, I mean, it is a simple, straightforward recipe. What makes it not simple and straightforward is the fact that it traces incredibly fast. And as you know, unfortunately, a lot of my recipes trace fast. Only a few select that I have plenty of time to work with, and I'm not in that much of a rush. So yeah, I guess you'll see me. I think I've made a video of this in those other slabs that I don't use anymore. The ones I got from AliExpress. I actually just sold them off and just to make room as well. So you'll see me in this new slab. Well, no, I can't say new slab. In the slabs you have been seeing me use in the last 6 months. And yeah, so I guess that's it. I don't know what else to say. I am in a very quiet, mellow mood today, so I'm looking forward to just relaxing and making this soap, and especially when I start smelling the Dawn blend, because it's just a beautiful combination. So I'm going to put my gloves on. I've already got my safety glasses on, and we're going to make some Double Almond Dawn blend soap.